Сәлем достар, бұл Скаврон арнасы. 911-ге келген қорқынышты қоңыраулар сізге қатты ұнаған сияқты. Келесі видеомыз тағы да көпшілігіңіздің сұрауыңыз бойынша 911-ге келген қорқынышты қоңыраулар туралы болмақ. Ал сіз видеоны лайкпен қолдай отырыңыз, бұл біз үшін өте маңызды.
I've just been shot.
Where are you at? Okay, how did you get shot? Who shot you?
My grandma shot me.
Your grandma and grandpa shot you?
My grandma. I'm gonna die. No.
Okay, we're gonna stay on the phone with me, okay, sir? I'm gonna get help on the way. I'm gonna get help on the way, okay? Where were you shot at? Where are you shot? Your chest? Okay, who? Are your grandparents still there?
No.
Where did they go?
I don't know.
You don't know where they went? They shot you though, right? Okay, stay on the phone, okay? Okay, I know we got help on the way. I promised you that, okay? It's in your chest?
Yes.
Okay, did you get some kind of, can you walk or are you sitting?
I'm sitting.
Okay, I don't want you to move. Okay, just keep on breathing. Okay, and it just happened? Are you there? Keep talking to me. Keep talking to me. Are you there?
No.
Can you keep talking to me? Keep talking to me. Are you there, sir? 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 Hello? Sir? Can you call the neighbor? Someone wants to with something. He's not talking to me right now. No, I heard someone, but I don't know if it's him or not. Sir? Are you there?
I got shot again. No.
You got shot again? Are they still there?
I'm gonna die. My stomach is moving. No. Yes. Please help.
I just walked off. Sir?
I want you to live and stuff like I did.
Not on.
I just shot and killed my 2 kids, and I shot my wife, and I'm going to shoot myself now.
What address you at?
What?
What address you at?
450 South First Street, St. Charles, Unit 406. I'm going to kill myself now, too. My 2 girls are dead, and I'm killing myself.
Sir. All right, so 450 South First Street in St. Charles? Sir, stay on the line with me. Sir. Hello? Charles.
Oh my God, my husband shot my kid.
Okay, I need to know where you are. I can help you, but I need help. Where are you?
I'm 406. God, somebody please help me. Oh
Okay, ma'am, what address are you at?
my God. Call 911 now.
Ma'am, what address are you at?
Oh my God.
Ma'am, where are you at? Sir. Ma'am, I can help you, but I need to know where you are. Ma'am, I can help you, but I need to know where you're at.
Please call 911. Please. I can't remember my address.
Okay, could it be 450 South 1st Street?
450 South First Street. Yes.
Okay, what apartment?
Call ambulances.
Okay, we're getting them headed that way. What apartment are you in?
406. My dogs are dead. My dogs.
406? Okay, stay on the phone. I'm going to get an ambulance headed that way. Yep, we're going to be on our way. Don't hang up, okay?
My God! My God!
Okay, ma'am, I'm going to talk to the medics. Don't hang up, okay?
I'm gonna talk to my God. Oh my God, please. My God,
Сонымен видеомыз соңына жетті. Бәріңіз білетіндей дәл қазір видео бәйге деген конкурс болып жатыр. Сіздерден Аскербектің арнасына дауыс берулеріңізді өтінемін. Ол үшін
videobaygat.kz сайтына кіресіздер, оның сілтемесін төменде қалдырып кетемін. Сайтқа кіргеннен кейін әлеуметтік желі арқылы кіресіз, яғни ВК, Gmail, Одноклассники, Mail.ru барлығы тұрады сол жерде. Сол біреуіне кіріп басасыздар. Одан кейін начинающий видеоблогеры разные деген жерде біздің арна тұрады, жарқырап біздің арна тұрады. Соған басасыздар, бізге дауыс бересіздер, болды.